Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Typically, an interlock program costs $2.50 to $3.50 a day. Although the cost will vary according to state, Matt estimates it costs approximately $70 to $150 to install and around $60 to $80 per month for device monitoring and calibration.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The short answer is no, you cannot avoid interlock. Ignition interlock is required by statute and is not something that you can just wait long enough and you will bypass it. When you get a car, get the device installed and go ahead and
take our lead.
All 50 states have an ignition interlock law, which means if you get arrested for drunk driving, you could be required to install a device in your vehicle. Currently, 33 states in the United States require an ignition interlock device, IID, for every drunk driving offense. 19 November 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.